I am at 3-bedroom home being built by Civic Builders. Got this nice big front porch, vinyl sided. Concrete drive. Lots of windows, light filled, great room. Plenty of room for a bedroom, or not bedroom, living room, and a dining room. So you can see the way the windows are spaced out. Plenty of room for dining. Lots of can lighting provided. Got a peninsula kitchen. You could also do an island if you wanted. You'd lose some counter space and you'd have to move things down, but there are different things you can do, and you can do the kitchen how you like. So everything you're looking at were chosen by the buyers. So they chose their counters. We're looking at quartz here. Got nice cabinets dovetailed, which is what you want to see. They picked out their own faucets. So you can see the half bath here, and we'll head upstairs. So we got oak stairs, and they also did the kickboards in oak. So there are some choices here that these buyers made that may not necessarily come with every home. This is the main bath. Again, these are choices that were made by these buyers. This is the back bedroom, the smallest of the three. Nice size closet. And right out here too is also a linen closet. Bedroom 2. Again, big closet space. Lots of light. So we've got ceiling fans and things in these. Again, all picked out by the buyer. There's a lighting allowance in which they can pick those things out. And here's a laundry room. The owner's suite, straight up ahead here. Don't mind the toolbox. Lots of windows again, light filled. Walk-in closet. And there is a bath only for the owner's suite. It's got some storage space. Very nice. Tile shower. It's got a fiberglass base. And this has got this opening here that could be closed or opened again. I believe that was a choice made by the buyers. So lots of customization available. Of course, when you customize things, you got to pay for them. This oak steps going down to the basement, that's got to be an upgrade. So with new construction, I always say one of the best things about new construction versus a rehab is the basement. So, you know, you've got a modern basement. It's dry, tall. These buyers chose to go with a tankless hot water heater. But, you know, you let your mind wander with what you could do with all this space down here. So this is a real huge plus with new construction. And that is all I've got. Thank you.